Hi and welcome back to MRTV. Welcome back to another Apple Vision Pro in SteamVR episode where I'm checking out the Surreal Touch controllers that allow you to play all of your SteamVR games on the Apple Vision Pro, streaming them from your gaming PC into the headset. And yeah, finally we have controllers, and this is part of my rolling review. So far, yeah, you've seen the videos, probably everything worked so well. And nobody asked me to play CyubeVR, but I still want to do it because it's just such a beautiful game. I love this game. It is so relaxing. You can be here, you can build things, and yes, it's kind of a Minecraft, but a more beautiful one in my opinion. Super, super nice. Yeah, so let's get into it. But before we do so, a word from our sponsor. Today's video is brought to you by VR Lens Inserts. VR is an MRTV channel sponsor, and if you are a glasses wearer, I highly recommend their VR lens inserts. VR offers high quality products at very competitive prices, all while delivering lenses in only a couple of days, no matter where you are. And you're raving about their great service, so go to hansvr.com, get your lenses and use code MRTV for a 5% discount. Thanks to VR for sponsoring the channel. With this out of the way, let's get into it. And yeah, let's simply do the interactive tutorial. This adventure starts with a simple stick. Open up the radar menu on either hand and select the stick to start your journey.
Objective completed.
I love it. How it says objective completed. So I have the stick. So now, gather wood. You're eager to start collecting some resources? Time to put your trusty stick to work and start bashing a tree. Let me do that. Let's start bashing that tree over there with a rabbit. Yeah, and the Surreal Touch controllers, as you can tell, simply allowing me to play all of these beautiful VR games. So finally, the Apple Vision Pro... Objective completed. Hello there. Finally, the Apple Vision Pro really, hello there, is a full usable VR headset in my opinion. So objective completed. What should I do now? Okay. Get ready and release the power of your magic vacuum bucket. Put the bucket at the wood items. Okay, how do I get the bucket again? Not like this, no. Was it here? Here.
Objective
oh yes.
Completed.
So you with the bucket we can simply get everything. Can we also get the rabbit? No, we can't, unfortunately. Hello, Mr. Rabbit. Yeah, wow, this is just so beautiful. You know, and really, OLED is really the game changer. I love to play that on the PlayStation VR 2, right? But if you don't have a PlayStation VR 2, but you have a gaming PC and an Apple Vision Pro, you can have an even more beautiful experience because you have high resolution here. It is great. So, put your strength to the test and start bashing some stone. Find a stone block and start pounding away with your stick. Okay, I need to find stone. Let's walk a bit into the sunset. Wow, look how beautiful this is. Oh, this is really a game to relax after a stressful day as a YouTuber. Yeah, it's okay. I'm fine, no? Oh, here. Is it here? Is this stone? Or is this earth? I don't know. Let's try. I think that's the right way to do it, right? I think that's what they want me to do. Oh no, but no objective completed. So this seems to be just earth. How can I get out of here? Not like this. Oh no. Ah, here. I can also teleport. And now I'm on again. So this was not stone, it seems. So here, those yellow things, these are recipes. And with these recipes, I can build new things. Wow, this world is so relaxing. Did I mention that already? How relaxing this world is and how beautiful the sunset is. And in the Apple Vision Pro, wow, it's so bright. You know, this part is so bright and this part is so dark. So you only get this kind of visuals with micro OLED. And that is truly amazing. So this is not stone. Let me have a look again what stone looks like. Okay, the stone looks like stone, makes sense. So this is not stone. Let's walk somewhere else. I believe I have to go into one of those caves. Hello there. So the beautiful thing is when it gets dark, the sky becomes colorful, and that is just so beautiful. Oh wow. Just looking at the sky, it's just so relaxing. You have to play this game. If you get a PSVR 2, and you probably got it because it's so cheap right now, you should get CubeVR. It's also fantastic on the PlayStation VR 2. Wow. Just wow. Incredible. So yeah, Apple Vision Pro for SteamVR is absolutely a winner. Cactus. Yeah, and what can I tell? You know, you can play all of the games. The controllers are great. You can secure them for $250. That's a super early bird price by putting your Kickstarter email address on the mailing list. No commitments at all. You know this by now if you watched my videos. Hello there. Wow. Look at you. I've never seen this kind of desert environment. Boy, look at the stars here. Wow. Incredible. So everything is just generated, you know? All of this is generated automatically. Nice. You know, just wandering through this is fantastic. Okay, and now we're going to witness the sunrise here. I still haven't found stone, but that's quite alright, because that is also just like beautiful to walk through here. And yeah, what can I say? Controls simply work. Okay, but I do want to, of course, I want to progress a bit here while I'm recording this video. So let's go and find some stone. Probably here I will find some stone. So let me put... Wow, this is so dark here. Okay, so... Great. I made my way out of this place. But still... no stone. Wow, this looks good. This looks pretty exciting. But is this stone here? Yes. No? Is this also no stone? Okay, let's see. Let's use the magic stone thing, a magic bucket. And?
Objective completed.
Yes! This was stone indeed. Good. Very good. So let me go out of this again. I found stones. And soon I will be able to build something. Yes. Okay, it's time to upgrade your stone mining. Head over to the crafting recipes tab and check out the recipe for stone pickaxe. Three wood and 3 stone, I have it. Crafting recipes. 3 stone and 3 wood. How to craft something. Inventory, okay, putting it out. And then putting it together, right? Yes. Okay, cool, yeah. Okay, let's do it. Inventory. We have... Let's take out 3 stone. 1, 2, and 3. And yeah, the Surreal Touch controllers, by the way. I forgot to talk about them because I'm just so in the game here right now. But as you can tell, it works well. So, I could take them just like in Half-Life Alyx, right? Yes, I can. So we need... Cool. Yeah, look at this. How you can bring them together to craft something. And you know, for such things, it's just fun to have a controller, right? So, yes. Woo! And here it is. Right? I have to... Do I have to... Oh yeah. Put it into your bucket. Or drop it behind your shoulder.
Objective completed.
Yes! Very good. Very nice. So, what can I say? It is just so nice to play CyubeVR on the Apple Vision Pro. The colors, the game is so relaxing, and to have those here now, game changer. Game changer for the Apple Vision Pro. Play all of your SteamVR games now in the Apple Vision Pro, streaming them from the gaming PC. Everything works within ALVR, and that's amazing. Yeah, so the Kickstarter is coming closer. You can still secure the best price, $250, by putting your Kickstarter email address onto the mailing list down below without commitment. And I think that's really a cool goodie from Surreal Touch. I love what I see here. Thumbs up. And you know what? If you enjoy this channel, then absolutely subscribe to MRTV and click on the bell button that you don't miss anything. And see you on the MRTV Discord server to discuss all of this goodness. And yeah, don't forget the thumbs up. I'm looking forward to see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.